Hello students, after the completion of derivatives of inverse function type first, second and third, now we have to introduce here the next type, that is the fourth type of exercise 1.2, that is the derivative of inverse trigonometric functions. We are already discussing question number first to sixth question. Now here we are taking the next question of exercise 1.2, that is question number 7. Differentiate the following with respect to x. We have to here differentiate. We have taken some examples of this type. These are the 5 examples of type 4 which are to be evaluated one by one. Okay. Now taking the first example of exercise 1.2 question number 7 type 4. The first example is cot inverse of cot of into bracket e raised to x square. That is the given function which I have to be discussing here. Okay. Firstly, we have taken the solution, giving the firstly write the given function as a y equal to cot inverse of into bracket cot of e raised to x square. That is our given function. Now we have to find the derivative of the given function. Here we know that in the given function there are cot inverse and into bracket there are again cot, and we know that the formula, that is cot inverse of cot of x, then cot inverse and cot become cancel, remaining only x. Same way we have to apply this formula, then we can get, that is y equal to simple form, that is e raised to x square, that is only remaining. Now this is our simple function. Now we have to differentiate the given function. Okay, and therefore differentiate with respect to x of the given function. Therefore dy by dx equal to, we know that the derivative of e raised to f of x, that is e raised to f of x into d by dx of f of x. Here f of x is x square. Therefore dy by dx equal to e raised to x square into d by dx of x square. Okay, now we have to take only the derivative of x square. We know that. Therefore dy by dx equal to, that is e raised to x square into derivative of x square, that is twice x. And only rearranging the terms, then we can get the derivative of the given function, that is dy by dx equal to twice x into e raised to x square. And that is the derivative of the given function cot inverse of cot of e raised to x square. Okay, now taking the another example of the same type, that is second example we have taken here. The given function is y equal to cos inverse of into bracket root of 1 minus cos of x square upon 2. Okay, that is our function. Now we have to find the derivative of the given function. Again here is also the given function y equal to, taken the cos inverse of root of 1 minus cos of x square upon 2. Okay, here in the out of bracket we have taken here cos inverse. Therefore we have to implement here, we have to create here cos, then cos inverse and cos become cancel. Therefore we have to replace this function by a cos theta or cos of x. Okay, and therefore here we can get, that is, what is the formula? We know that is 1 minus cos of x, yes, or 1 minus cos of theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. That is our formula. We know that. By implementing this formula in the bracket, then we can get, that is here 1 minus cos of theta equal to 2 sin square, here theta is x, therefore 2 sin square x by 2 whole divided by 2. That is our next step, and therefore the given function become y equal to cos inverse of into bracket root of 2 sin square, here x is our x square, therefore x square upon 2 whole divided by 2. Again here is 2 and 2, in the numerator and denominator 2 is cancelled, and here sin square and taking the sin square root, therefore root and square also cancel, and therefore the given function become, that is y equal to cos inverse of into bracket sin of x square upon 2. Okay, that is the simple part. But now here is also, here out of the bracket is cos inverse, but in the bracket is sin. We have to convert that sin into cos. We know that the formula, that is sin of theta equal to cos of pi by 2 minus theta. By that formula you can get the next step, that is y equal to cos inverse of pi by 2 minus, that is x square upon 2. Only implement the formula. Okay, and therefore again here in this format y equal to cos inverse cos become cancel, and therefore the given function become, that is, yes, y equal to only remaining is pi by 2 minus x square upon 2. Okay, and this is the simplest form of the given function. Now we have to differentiate the given function, and therefore differentiate the given function with respect to x. Then we can get, now differentiate derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx equal to d by dx of right hand side also, that is pi by 2 minus x square upon 2. And therefore we know that derivative of pi by 2 is a constant, having the derivative is 0, and derivative of x square upon 2, that is 1 upon 2 into x square, having the derivative is twice x, and therefore dy by dx equal to, that is 0 minus 1 upon 2 out of bracket into bracket twice x. Here 2 and 2 become cancel, and therefore dy by dx equal to, that is minus x is only remaining. Okay, and therefore the derivative of the given function, that is cos inverse of into bracket root of 1 minus cos of x square upon 2, having the derivative is minus x. Here is also we have to convert the given function in the simplest form. Here cos inverse are cancelled firstly by the taking inside the bracket cos theta. Okay, then the given function have to be converted into simplest form. We can get the derivatives of the given function. Okay, now taking the next example of the exercise 1.2 question number 7 type 4, that is example number 3rd. The given example is, the given function is tan inverse of into bracket 1 plus cos of x by 3 divided by sin of x by 3. That is our given function. Okay, now we have to differentiate the given function with respect to x. Firstly, we have taken the given function as a y equal to given function. Now we have to take here the derivative of the given function. Here in the out of bracket we have taken the tan inverse of the given function f of x. Now we have to convert that f of x into tan of x, then the function becomes tan inverse of tan, then tan inverse tan cancel, and only the given function f of x have to be differentiated. Okay, what is the formula of 1 plus cos of theta? We have already known, and also sin of theta, that is 1 plus cos of theta, having the formula is 2 cos square theta by 2, and sin of theta, having the formula is 2 sin of theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2. These two formula which are already discussing in the 11th standard, that two formulas are to be applied here. Here in the first formula 1 plus cos of theta is x by 3, therefore in the numerator that function becomes, that is 2 cos square x by 3 into 2, that is 2 cos square x by 6, and in the denominator sin of theta is x by 3, and therefore sin of x by 3 equal to 2 sin of x by 6 into cos of x by 6. Okay, that is the formula. And the next step becomes y equal to tan inverse of into bracket 2 cos square x by 6 divided by 2 sin square x by 6 into cos of x by 6. Only implementing the formulas of 1 plus cos theta and sin of theta. Okay, now here 2 and 2, these two terms are cancelled. Square and cos, that is cancelled. Only remaining is cos of x by 6 upon sin of x by 6. Okay, and therefore we can get, that is y equal to, that is tan inverse of into bracket cos of x by 6 divided by sin of x by 6. And we know that is cos upon sin, that is our quad function. And therefore the next step function become, that is y equal to tan inverse of cot of x by 6. Okay, but here again in out of the bracket is tan inverse and in the bracket is cot, therefore we have to convert again cot into tan. Okay, we know that the formula cot theta equal to tan of pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, and therefore the given function becomes, that is y equal to tan inverse of into bracket tan of pi by 2 minus x upon 6, where theta is x upon 6. And then here again tan inverse tan become cancel. Only remaining is pi by 2 minus x by 6. And therefore the given function become, that is y equal to pi by 2 minus x upon 6. Okay, that is the simplest form of the given function. Now we are taking the derivative of the given function. Okay, therefore differentiate given function with respect to x. Therefore y by x equal to pi by 2 having the derivative is 0 and x by 6 having the derivative is 1 upon 6 into bracket x having the derivative is 1, and therefore dy by dx becomes, that is minus 1 upon 6. That is the derivative of the given function. Okay, that means here is also firstly convert the given function in the simplest form by the help of trigonometric function formula, and then we can get the derivative of the given function. Okay, now taking the next example, that is fourth example of exercise 1.2, question number 7, type 4. Example number 4, the given function is, that is tan inverse of into bracket cos of 7x upon 1 plus sin of 7x. That is our given function. Okay, we have to differentiate the given function. Firstly take the given function as y equal to given function. Now here in this equation, the out of bracket is tan inverse and into bracket the given function are in the form of cos of 7x upon 1 plus sin of 7x. We have to convert that bracket or the given function f of x into in the form of tan of theta. Okay, then tan inverse tan become cancel, and then we can get the derivative of the simplest form. Okay, now firstly convert the given function, that is tan inverse into cot inverse, and therefore y equal to cot inverse of that function becomes, yes, that is reciprocal, therefore 1 plus sin of 7x upon cos of 7x. Okay, now in the numerator and in the denominator we have to apply the formulas of the trigonometry. What is the formula of cos of theta? That is, yes, cos of theta equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. That formula have to be implemented in the denominator. Therefore denominator becomes, that is cos of 7x upon 2 equal to cos square 7x upon 2 minus sin square 7x upon 2, where theta is equal to 7x. Okay, and also in the numerator one have to be converted. We know that the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, and therefore 1 can be written in the form of sin square. Here we have taken theta is 7x upon 2, and therefore in the numerator also, yes, that is sin square 7x upon 2 plus cos square 7x upon 2 plus again sin of theta. We have already known the formula, we have already discussed in the last example, that is 2 sin of theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2, and therefore the numerator become sin square 7x upon 2 plus cos square 7x upon 2 plus 2 into sin of 7x upon 2 into cos of 7x upon 2 whole divided by cos square 7x upon 2 minus sin square 7x upon 2. Okay, now in this here we are in the numerator the given function in the form of a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b, and therefore we know that formula, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to into bracket a plus b bracket square by that formula, and in the denominator, that is the formula is a square minus b square equal to into bracket a plus b into a minus b. By these two formula the next step becomes, that is, yes, y equal to cot inverse of into bracket the numerator is cos of 7x upon 2 plus sin of 7x upon 2 bracket square, that is a plus b bracket square whole divided by, that is cos of 7x upon 2 plus sin of 7x upon 2 into another bracket cos of 7x upon 2 minus sin of 7x upon 2, that is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, now in this bracket, that is cos of 7x upon 2 plus sin of 7x upon 2, which are in the numerator and denominator, and therefore that two terms are become cancel. And therefore the next step becomes, that is y equal to cot inverse of, in the numerator only remaining is cos of 7x upon 2 plus sin of 7x upon 2 whole divided by, remaining in the denominator only, that is cos of 7x upon 2 minus sin of 7x upon 2. Okay, now example number 4 continue. That is our last step of the given. Next step becomes, that is y equal to cot inverse of, again we have to divide numerator and denominator by, yes, that is cos of 7x upon 2. We have to divide by cos of 7x upon 2 in the numerator and in the denominator. Then in the numerator cos 7x upon 2 divided by cos 7x upon 2, that is become cancel. Term, that is sin of theta upon cos theta, that is tan theta, and therefore that term becomes, that is 1 plus tan of 7x upon 2, that is our numerator. Again in the denominator cos 7x upon 2 divided by cos 7x upon 2 become cancel only, and in here minus sin 7x upon 2 divided by cos 7x upon 2, that becomes tan of 7x upon 2. Okay, that means only divide numerator and denominator by cos of 7x upon 2. Okay, now here in the numerator 1 can be written as, that is tan of pi by 4. We know that the value of tan of pi by 4, tan 45, that is equal to 1, and therefore 1 can be written in the form of tan of pi by 4 plus tan of 7x upon 2, that is numerator, and in the denominator it can be written as 1 minus 1 can be written in the form of tan of pi by 4 into tan of 7x upon, you know that formula. Here a is our pi by 4, b is our 7x upon 2. By that formula, tan of pi by 4 plus tan of 7x upon 2 divided by 1 minus tan of pi by 4 into tan of 7x upon 2 equal to, that is tan of a is our pi by 4 plus b is our 7x upon 2. And therefore the next step becomes, that is y equal to cot inverse of, into bracket, tan of pi by 4 plus 7x upon 2. Okay, by this formula. Okay, now here again in this function y equal to cot inverse into bracket tan have to be converted into cot, then cot inverse cot become cancel, and therefore the given function become, that is y equal to, we know that formula, cot inverse into bracket cot of pi by 2 minus theta, and therefore it can be written as cot inverse into cot of pi by 2 minus theta whole theta, that is pi by 4 plus 7x upon 2. Now here cot inverse and cot become cancel. Okay, and in the bracket we have to only simplifying this bracket, and therefore next step becomes, that is, yes, y equal to pi by 2 minus, here plus minus pi by 2 and minus plus, that is minus 7x upon 2. Okay, now only simplifying this pi by 2 minus pi by 4, we know that pi by 2 minus pi by 4, that is pi by 4, and therefore the next step becomes, that is y equal to pi by 4 minus 7x upon 2. Okay, now we can differentiate the given function with respect to x, and therefore is dy by dx. We know that pi by 4 having the derivative 0 because it is a constant, and 7x upon 2 having the derivative 7 upon 2 into derivative of x, that is 1, and therefore the next step becomes, that is dy by dx equal to 0 minus 7 upon 2 into bracket 1, and therefore dy by dx is become, that is minus 7 upon 2. Okay, that is the derivative of the given function. That means here is also firstly convert the given function in the simplest form, that is y equal to pi by 4 minus 7x upon 2, and then differentiate only taking the derivative simplest form, then we can get the derivative of the given function. Okay, now taking the last example of the exercise 1.2 question number 7 type 4, that is fifth example. The given function is our, yes, that is cot inverse of, into bracket root of 1 plus sine of 4x upon 3 plus root of 1 minus sine of 4x upon 3 whole divided by root of 1 plus sine of 4x upon 3 minus root of 1 minus sine of 4x upon 3. Now we have to differentiate the given function. Okay, firstly write the given function in the form of y equal to the given function. Again same process have to be applied here. Firstly, in the out of bracket, here we have to take an cot inverse. That means we have to convert that bracket in the form of cot of f of x. Then cot inverse cot become cancel. Only remaining is f of x. Then take the derivative of f of x. But firstly, we have to convert that bracket into cot of f of x. How to convert? That I will be discussing here. Okay. Firstly, take that is, yes, y equal to cot inverse of. Again, here the given function in the form of irrational form. Therefore, we have to convert that irrational form into rational form, and therefore multiply numerator and denominator by root of 1 plus sine of 4x upon 3 plus root of 1 minus sine of 4x upon 3. We have to multiply and divide the whole function of the bracket. Okay, and therefore in the bracket we have taken here, that is a plus b into a plus b. That means in the numerator is a plus b bracket square, and in the denominator a minus b into a plus b. That means a square minus b square. This formula have to be only implemented here, and therefore the next step becomes, that is y equal to cot inverse of, in the numerator, that is into bracket root of 1 plus sine of 4x upon 3 plus root of 1 minus sine of 4x upon 3 whole bracket square. Okay, divided by again a square minus b square. A is our root of 1 plus sine of 4x upon 3 bracket square minus b square, that is into bracket root of 1 minus sine of 4x upon 3 bracket square. Okay, that means only taking the product of the given two brackets. Now continue this example from last page. Example number 5, continue. The given function in the last step is, that is y equal to our last step. Now we have to taking the next step of the given example, that is y equal to cot inverse of. Again here we have to implement the formula, that is a plus b bracket square, that is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Okay, and in the denominator, that is root of 1 plus sine of 4x upon 3 bracket square. Here square and square root become cancel in the both terms, and therefore remaining is only in the denominator 1 plus sine of 4x upon 3 minus into bracket 1 minus sine of 4x upon 3. Okay, and therefore next step becomes, that is y equal to cot inverse of. Again here square root cancel, remaining step is this is. Again in the second term also square root cancel, remaining is 1 minus sine of 4x upon 3 plus 2 into bracket, we are taking the two terms in the single square root. Okay, divided by in the denominator again, that is 1 plus sine of 4x upon 3 minus 1 and minus plus. Solving these two brackets, then 1 minus 1 cancel, only remaining is sine of 4x upon 3 plus sine of 4x upon 3, that is 2 sine of 4x upon 3. Okay, in the denominator. Now in the numerator again simplify these two brackets, then we can get, that is 1 plus sine of 4x upon 3 plus 1 minus sine 4x upon 3, then plus sine 4x upon 3 minus sine 4x upon 3 become cancel, only remaining is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay, and in the next step, that is 2 root of, here is a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square formula, that is 1 square having square is 1 and sine of 4x upon 3 having square is sine square 4x upon 3, and therefore next step becomes, that is y equal to cot inverse of, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2 plus again here 2 into bracket 1 in a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, and divided by 2 sine of 4x upon 3. Okay, that is the last step of the last page. Okay, now continue this example again. Therefore y equal to cot inverse of, again here is we have to implement the formula. We know that the formula, yes, that is 1 minus sin square theta, that is equal to cos square theta. Okay, we know that the identity, and therefore the given function becomes y equal to cot inverse of into bracket 2 plus 2 into root of cos square 4x upon 3 whole divided by 2 into sin of 4x upon 3. Okay, now here is cos square and square root that become cancel. Only remaining is therefore y equal to, that is cot inverse of, again 2 is taken to be common out of the bracket from these two, 2 is taken to be out of bracket, that it is 2 into bracket 1 plus cos of 4x upon 3 whole divided by 2 sin of 4x upon 3. Again here is 2 and 2 become cancel. Only remaining is 1 plus cos of 4x upon 3 divided by sin of 4x upon 3. Again we know that the formula of 1 plus cos of theta. Yes, what is the formula? Yes, that is y equal to cot inverse of, that is 2 cos square 4x upon 6, because we know that the cos of 1 plus cos of theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2, and therefore in the numerator, that is it becomes 2 cos square 4x upon 6 divided by again sin of theta equal to 2 sin of theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2, and therefore in the here these 2 and 2 are already cancelled, but that 2 is from formula, that is sin of theta equal to 2 sin of theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2, and therefore in the denominator is 2 sin of 4x upon 6 into cos of 4x upon 6. Okay, now in here 2 and 2 become again cancelled, and cos square, and in the denominator is cos of 4x upon 6, that also become cancelled. Only remaining is, yes, that is y equal to cot inverse of cos of 4x upon 6 divided by sin of 4x upon 6, and we know that cos upon sin, that is nothing but the cot. Okay, and therefore we can get, that is, yes, y equal to cot inverse of into bracket cot of 4x upon 6. Okay, then here again here cot inverse and cot become cancelled. Only remaining is 4x upon 6, and therefore y equal to 4x upon 6 is only remaining. And now take the derivative of the given simple form, and that is dy by dx equal to, that is x having the derivative is 1, therefore 4 by 6 into 1, that is 4 by 6, and therefore that can be simplified. Therefore dy by dx equal to 2 upon 3, and that is the derivative of the given function. That means the given function in the complicated form. But firstly convert the given function in the simplest form by the help of the trigonometric formula, and then we can get the derivative of the given function. Okay, this is the method to solving the type of 4. Okay,